Yo.
Oh, nah, fam.
Oh, yeah, we ain't going home no time soon.
Dang it.
Not a chance, boy.
We can't call like an Uber? Aren't they liable to just drive in whatever we ask them to?
Just fluff their life? I mean,
Yeah.
if it's a truck, I don't see why it couldn't get us.
Yeah.
That might be the move.
I gotta take a shower, Dion.
Do you?
Left all my necessities in my car.
I did too, Juice. We're gonna be smelly and stranded, man.
Jeez.
That's what we'll title this vlog. We'll put it on Daily Dose. Smelly and stranded.
God dang.
Trent keeps talking about being butt naked in the snow. Go ahead.
Do it, Trent.
I'll expose my cheeks right now.
Go ahead.
But you guys gotta close your eyes.
Okay.
Not for the camera.
Okay.
Well, I guess for the camera.
All right, I'm not looking. Juice, you gotta look. See if we got it.
Oh, I gotta
You
look.
gotta get the shot.
Wait, do you guys want me to actually do this?
If you want to, we'll blur it out.
It's not bad without TV.
Wherever.
I'm reformed. I'm only gonna do it unless you tell me to.
All right, go.
All right,
Hurry
get
up.
me in the shot too, Juice, just so we can see that.
All right.
I'm not looking, but you're looking, Juice. Tell me if his cheeks come out.
Wait, but I'm only gonna do it if you tell me to. I'm reformed.
Are you gonna jump in the snow with them?
Nah, heck no. But unless you guys tell me to show my cheeks, I'm not doing that. No
Show
more.
your
I'm reformed.
cheeks.
I'm not telling you.
God dang! God,
Trent, don't grab me.
God
Don't grab me,
dang!
Trent.
God, that hurt. Oh, you alright, man?
I'm good.
Fell hard?
It felt hard.
Dang.
You said expose the cheeks?
Look, that's where his hip hit. You can see the ground.
Shattering his ice.
Oh, man. Oh. Be careful, I almost just slid. This is the worstest snow since I've lived here.
Yeah.
Oh man! Don't try to make this about me, Trey.
You just
said
said
it.
show my cheeks.
You said it voluntarily
No,
before
I changed
anybody
it.
was asking about your
I
cheeks.
said reformed. Now that's people ask me to. I'm not gonna do it. And he asked.
He's trying to play this
It's
little
2019.
mind game. He don't really want to do it.
Right.
I don't. Oh, I don't.
Right.
No, I want to do it. I want to do it.
No, you don't.
But
Because
I'm
you done it already.
Then you just said
No,
it. Why do you need
no.
him to say anything?
Because it's 2019, and I'm not starting with pulling my pants.
All right, you're gonna get sick. And that snow is not letting up, fam. Nah, dog. Nah, dog.
We're stuck at the office. We need your guys' help. Send help. Send prayers. We're stuck at the office. We need help.
Stop touching me. Why are you touching me?
I'm not touching. It's a new year.
You just touched me.
No, I'm touching the camera.
Sure, you just touched me.
I'm not
again,
touching-
man. Dog. Look, this ain't happening this year. I promise you. Apologize. Trent, apologize.
I'm sorry, Dion.
Okay, don't touch me no
Dion,
more this year.
get away
I'm
from
not
me.
about
No,
to beat
get
you
away
right
from
now,
me.
but
Stop, Dion.
I'm telling you, there's no tolerance this year. Let go. Look at this. Let
There's
go.
no tolerance at all.
I'm not gonna touch you right now. I'm talking to you
Oh,
simply.
stop.
The next time you touch me, it's gonna hurt. Trent,
Okay,
you touch
okay.
me.
No,
All
no,
right,
no,
see, here's what
no,
I'm trying to-
no, 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 no.
Here's what I'm.
No, I'm
look.
trying to back you up.
Okay, I'm right here. Don't touch me. Do you understand how serious I am?
No, yes,
You don't.
I do.
Do I need to show you?
No, I believe you.
Okay, so please stop. I'm asking nicely. All right, Trent, don't smile, Trent. I want you to take me serious, okay? Do you understand me? I don't want to have problems.
Sorry, what do you want me to not do?
Just stop touching me so much. Okay? Okay? Okay?
Okay. You said you weren't gonna
Okay?
touch me.
Yeah, but you sit there and you ain't taking me serious, Trent.
I'm taking you. See.
Okay?
Juice, help.
No. Okay? Okay?
All right.
Let go. Let go of my band. Let go. Let go. Stop.
Dion, this can't happen this year. Cause I'm not gonna let it. I'm just kidding. No, I was just joking. I was just joking.
Yeah,
I was
you're
just
not,
joking.
though.
I was just joking.
It's only Muay Thai elbow.
I was just joking.
You always trying to troll. You always trying to troll, okay? Stop, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So the snow, we thought it had stopped. It's still going. It's not as heavy as it was.
Just step on the road, Dion.
We can see that, you know, so we were doing a little bit of like brainstorming. You know, it's the New Year's. We're recording this on the 1st. I don't know when you guys are seeing this, but you know, we're getting our game plan for the New Year's and whatnot, and getting excited. Ooh, this actually would have been a good direction to do the field goal.
It's so light outside.
It's not light outside.
We have street lights, Dion.
We want to do a winter field goal challenge. Maybe if we get here early, we might be here early. We might not get to go home.
Let's see. Oh, there's no way you could drive all this, yeah.
All right. Yeah. Juice just wants to go home, man. Juice ain't about that sleepover life. We out here on the grind.
Do you think I'm about to grind?
Trent, stop being weird, dude. We just wanted to check the outside, man.
Do you think I'm about to grind?
Stop, Trent, stop. Put the camera on my face.
Do you think I'm about to
Trent,
grind?
I'm about to get a snowball.
Do you think I'm about to grind?
Don't ask me. Juice, man. Juice